Hello friends. I am Lee Vue. I am an Oriental medicine doctor. I know about medicinal plants. On this channel I will share with you about medicinal plants and how to use them to protect your health. Please see. Mugwort is a precious medicine in Eastern medicine. Since ancient times, it has been used in remedies to help regulate menstruation, placenta, especially effective first aid for wounds. And those values remain intact to this day. Invite you to learn together to specify the uses that mugwort brings and how to use it effectively. What is mugwort? Mugwort has a scientific name as Artemisia vulgaris. It is a herbaceous plant of the Asteraceae family. Mugwort, also known as wormwood, is inherently familiar to everyone. People often use mugwort as raw materials to prepare dishes that help improve health. In addition, this herb is also widely used in traditional medicine as a miracle medicine. Mugwort is not only known as a medicinal herb but it is also known as a vegetable. People often called mugwort vegetables. Description of mugwort. Mugwort is a perennial herbaceous plant, with an average height of 0.51.2 m. Mugwort's entire body, branches and leaves are small, ash-white fur. The leaves are staggered with saw blades that look like bird feathers. The leaflets along the stem grow to the root, the upper leaves are dark green and the underside is grayish-white. Mugwort flowers grow in clusters at the top of the branches with small head-shaped clusters, pale yellow in color and often bloom in the summer. Mugwort fruits are small and hairless. Dry mugwort is yellow-brown, has a very strong odor, and if smelling unfamiliar, it will cause discomfort. Mugwort dry for a long time, the higher the effect, mainly used in all medicine. What is the effect of drinking fresh mugwort? Mugwort is not only used as a food, but drinking water from fresh mugwort also has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, menstrual disorders, sciatica, osteoarthritis, sore throat and flu. Mugwort has a very bitter taste, strong smell, so it will be difficult to drink but has the ability to treat the disease extremely effectively. So remember to use mugwort water often when you are sick. Where does mugwort grow? Mugwort is a perennial herb that is easy to grow, so it often grows wild everywhere. Today, the demand for mugwort is increasing, so this herb is also grown a lot around the home garden. Parts used in collection methods. Mugwort. Parts used. You can use mugwort's whole body to make medicine. If used in dishes, only use the leaves and tops of mugwort. Harvesting. The best time to collect mugwort is before the flowers bloom, i.e. from June to July every year. Because this is the time when the tree contains the largest amount of essential oils that are beneficial to health. When harvesting mugwort, people often uproot trees or pick up leaves and tops. How to make mugwort into medicine. After collecting mugwort, wash it thoroughly to remove dust, rubbish. Then, chopped and dried or dried. Put into plastic bags for preservation or gradual use. Mugwort's taste. According to Oriental medicine, Mugwort is a warm, bitter, special herb with a very pungent smell that helps the body. Regulates blood, diuretic, antibacterial and reduces pain effectively. The chemical composition of mugwort. According to modern medicine, although there has not been much research on this plant, but some scientists have found that in mugwort contains large amounts of essential oils, active flavonoids and amino acids such as choline and adenine. In addition, it has several active ingredients are artepsin, anabsynthin, absinthin and plastic. What effect does mugwort have? The use of mugwort. Mugwort is one of the precious medicines both used in healing and as a raw material to create delicious dishes for the family, helping to improve health. Because of this, mugwort is increasingly sought and trusted by many people. Here we will together learn more about each healing use that mugwort brings to understand more about this versatile medicine. Mugwort works to regulate menstruation. Menstrual conditioning is one of mugwort's most prominent effects. In folk, people often use decoction of drinking water or cook mugwort soup to help cure mugwort pain and treat menstrual disorders. When processing mugwort into dishes, it will reduce the pungent smell of medicinal plants and be easier to use. However, if used in pure form, the effect will be much higher, helping to treat the disease faster. Mugwort works to treat pimples. You may not know, mugwort has the effect of treating pimples very effectively, making the skin become bright white, smooth. Because mugwort extract has superior antibacterial properties, it helps to remove bacteria hidden deep under the skin. An acne-causing agent, cleansing the skin without causing itching. To best solve pimples problem, you should apply mugwort mask 2 to 3 times a week by pounding fresh mugwort and applying it to skin for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse with water. Mugwort has a calming effect. Many studies have shown that mugwort is a benign herb that has a safe pregnancy for pregnant women. Bleeding, abdominal pain is a common condition in pregnant women causing many insecurity leading to adverse effects on the fetus. However, it is good that mugwort is able to resolve these symptoms, helping to ensure pregnancy and improve the health of pregnant women. Mugwort works to help blood circulation to the brain. Have you ever tried combining mugwort and chicken eggs to make a nutritious dish? If not, prepare it immediately and use it during meals. Mugwort and chicken eggs are all rich in protein, choline, adenine, so when they are mixed together, they create mugwort fried eggs that both help blood circulation, increase blood flow to the brain, and help improve effective immune system. Mugwort has hemostatic and analgesic effect. Inside mugwort leaves are high in beneficial amino acids and a number of active ingredients that stop the bleeding and ease pain. In addition, these substances also help the process of metabolism. And metabolism goes smoothly, minimize the symptoms of back pain, headaches often caused by overwork, stress. Mugwort works to treat osteoarthritis pain. Sciatica, osteoarthritis pain is a common condition in the elderly, causing pain, discomfort, difficulty walking. To solve this problem, people often use mugwort to crush and extract juice, then add 2 teaspoons of honey to reduce the bitterness and pungency of mugwort and drink 2 times a day until the condition Remission. Cure spines with mugwort. Mugwort has the effect of curing body weakness. Mugwort is a medicine that enhances the absorption of nutrients, nourishes the body, cures depression, helps appetite and sleep better. People with poor appetite, asthenic body, or poor sleep, should use mugwort stew with chicken to nourish them right away. Mugwort works to reduce belly fat. Mugwort is not only a raw material for creating nutritious dishes or a valuable medicine for many diseases, but also helps reduce belly fat, especially for postpartum women, returning a slim, attractive round. In addition, the active ingredients inside mugwort help prevent constipation, improve the digestive system and treat gynecological diseases. What cure mugwort? Medicinal remedies from mugwort. The benefits that mugwort brings to human health are endless. This is a familiar herb for many people, but not everyone knows how to use mugwort in effective remedies. Here are some remedies from mugwort that are widely used and handed down from ancient times to the present that you should know. Wormwood cure back pain. Preparation: 300 g of mugwort, 2 tablespoons of honey. How to do: wash mugwort and then crush, filter mugwort water into a glass, then put the honey in, mix well, divide and drink 2 times a day at noon and afternoon. Mugwort cures acne. Preparation: 200 g of mugwort. How to do: wash mugwort, crush and then apply on acne skin, wait 15 to 30 minutes and rinse with water. How to use mugwort. In addition to the use of mugwort as in the above remedies, there are many other uses to help support treatment and improve health. Here are a few ways to use mugwort that are quite popular today. Please refer to. Bring mugwort to drink. Take about 30–50 g of mugwort dry, rinse with clean water. Then, dry roasted gold and put on clean ground to cool, boil with 1 liter of water. Cook on low heat until 500 ml is left, then turn off the stove and use during the day. Drink regularly every day to achieve the highest efficiency. Mugwort roasted salt. Roasted mugwort is a commonly used method to reduce belly fat, improve round 2. First, roast salt with mugwort until fragrant. Then put this mixture in a cloth bag and apply on the abdomen. Perform 2 times a day. Persistently perform until your waist is improved. How to make mugwort fried eggs. Wormwood eggs are a popular dish in folk, used to replenish the body, blood circulation to the brain. First, combine the mixture of 2 chicken eggs with 100 g of chopped mugwort, then add the seasoning to beat the mixture. Next, pour the oil into a hot pan and pour the mixture over, wait until it is cooked. Subjects should use mugwort. Women: menstrual disorders, irregular menstruation, dysmenorrhea. People with pimples. People with osteoarthritis pain, sciatica. People with physical weakness, poor appetite. People with flu, lots of belly fat. Pregnant women should use 1 to 2 times per week. Note when using mugwort: people with hepatitis, intestinal disorders should not use mugwort. Women in the first trimester of pregnancy should limit the use of mugwort. Do not overdo mugwort, use just the right amount as directed by your physician. When using mugwort to treat illnesses, you should consistently use it every day to quickly improve the condition. If you know how to combine mugwort with other medicinal plants, mugwort can help treat many diseases. Thank you for watching the video. I wish you a happy new day, healthy. See you again.